Ever scrolled through social media and seen those bright, almost futuristic bank cards popping up? Or maybe you've heard friends raving about their neon bank experience. You've probably asked yourself, what's the big deal? Why are people so obsessed with these digital banks? It's a valid question. In a world where traditional banking has been the norm for generations, these vibrant, app-driven alternatives have taken the financial landscape by storm. They've tapped into something deeper than just basic banking needs. They've tapped into a desire for something different, something more aligned with the modern, digital-first lifestyle. Let's break it down. First, and perhaps most obviously, there's the aesthetic. Neon banks aren't afraid to be bold. Their cards often feature eye-catching colors, minimalist designs, and a general sense of cool. This isn't just about looking good, it's about making a statement. In a world saturated with beige and corporate blues, these banks stand out. They become a talking point, a subtle way to express a preference for innovation and modernity. But the appeal goes far beyond surface-level aesthetics. The heart of the neon bank phenomenon lies in its user experience. Traditional banking can often feel clunky, slow, and riddled with hidden fees. Neon banks, on the other hand, prioritize simplicity and transparency. They've built their platforms from the ground up, designed for mobile-first interaction. Think about it: instant account opening, real-time spending notifications, easy budgeting tools, and seamless international transfers. These features are designed to empower users, giving them greater control over their finances. No more waiting in long queues or deciphering complicated fee structures. Everything is streamlined, intuitive, and accessible at your fingertips. Another crucial factor is the sense of community. Many neon banks foster a strong online presence, engaging with their users on social media and creating a sense of belonging. They're not just faceless corporations, they're brands that actively participate in conversations, respond to feedback, and build a community around shared values. This resonates particularly well with younger demographics who value authenticity and connection. Furthermore, neon banks often leverage cutting-edge technology to enhance their services. Features like AI-powered insights, personalized financial advice, and automated savings tools make managing money easier and more efficient. They're constantly innovating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the financial sector. The appeal also lies in the feeling of being part of something new, something disruptive. Traditional banks can seem slow to adapt, stuck in their old ways. Neon banks, in contrast, are agile and responsive, constantly evolving to meet the changing needs of their users. They represent a shift towards a more democratic and accessible financial system, where everyone has the tools they need to thrive. In essence, people like neon banks because they offer a refreshing alternative to the traditional banking experience. They're visually appealing, user-friendly, community-driven, and technologically advanced. They've managed to combine style with substance, creating a banking experience that's not just functional, but also enjoyable and empowering. They've managed to create a brand that feels like it understands the modern consumer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.